Hello there. Right, today's little video comes to you from North Manchester. It's a little job we're doing. There's an extension going on top of a kitchen. They've ripped the flat roof off the kitchen and they're building up to extend the back bedroom. Now where I come into it, we're putting 3 extra double sockets in the, breaking into the ring and adding 3 extra sockets, also moving the existing light fitting. Not too sure what fitting they're going to have in the future or anything like that, but for now I'm just throwing a pendant in there just to kind of get the light on for the lads and stuff like that. I'm just doing a bit of first fixing for now before the plasterers get in there and do boarding and stuff like that. But I'll also show you, you'll see there's some slight issues we had with the RCD, the existing installation, and problems I came across when you try and add into tag into an already existing installation. So yeah, no intro this week, guys, so we'll jump right in it. So we're just extending the ring in the extension upstairs. I've come across this board downstairs, and the only place there's an RCD is here, and there's nothing on this MCB, no circuit. There's the sockets, the ring, that's the ring we're going to break into, but nothing appears to be on the RCD. I'm just going to undo the ring circuit, which is the entire house sockets basically, and just noticed the neutrals are going into a terminal there and into a 6mm. Interesting. Let's check the continuity of the line. Okay, so we've got 1.68 there. .67 on the neutral. 1.34 on the CPC. We'll just write that result down on the technical sheet. Done an RCD test just to check that the RCD is actually tripping and working and everything. You can see everything's okay. So we've got this socket here, the original one, that's a spur going under there somewhere, and there's what looks like a ring here. I'm going to break into that and add on these sockets here. So I've just wagoed the ring circuit up here just to give us a kind of a complete circle for when I go test upstairs. I can find the actual ring. One on there, one on there. Oh. Looks like it's not a ring. Great. Just pulled this floor up and found this load of nonsense. It looks like someone's broke into the ring there previously. And this cable going here, this one goes up to there, and the one going down goes over there. Right, let's see what the hell's going on here. Where the hell are you going? I'll split this now. Looks like we found the ring, broke into it here and added all this as one spur, and then someone's added on to that and gone along over there. See the old Brexit colours there, the red and black, so you can see the newish brown and blue, and they've just spurred off over there. So rarely do you come across these where they've been put on properly, but these are extremely tight. I'm going to chop this and test both ends, all ends of the ring. I have wagoed them back at the consumer unit, so this should be a complete ring. Split now, so this is 2 ends of a open ring, hopefully, yep, 0.69. Can't quite remember what we got downstairs, but we can go and look because we wrote it on the technical sheet wall. I've pulled this cable through here now, and that's just here all loose, and then this one goes down to over there. It's quite long. I found one of these bastards in there as well, so I'm not sure what's been going on. I'll have to renew all this. So to surmise, there's the ring there, the two ends of the ring, and we are going to do some JB into connecting to the slot now. That length of cable that goes from there to here is twice the length it needs to be, and there's a dodgy joint in it, so we'll renew that. Put a new cable down from there to one end of that ring, down from there to one end of that ring, and from that back box will come down and up to there, and from here to there, and here, oh sorry, that back box will go along up to the TV socket, down, along, up to that socket, and again back to this side of the ring. Wow, that is disgusting. Pulled into Screwfix, come and get some materials now, and pick up a Wago box and some other bits and pieces. The job it entails, basically they've had an extension built to the existing kitchen, on top of the kitchen or something, and they just want some additional sockets and a light moving. So broke into the ring, as you see. Put some sockets on the extension, and we're going to renew the existing ones that were in there because they weren't really run properly, spur off a spur and stuff like that. The connections were a bit dodgy under the floor. I'm going to put some junction boxes under the floor, and connect then connect my ring, if you like, my little three socket ring into the existing one, renewing there. So basically I'll be doing like five double sockets added to that, because the two that were existing were not ran properly. So yeah, there's going to be 5 new additional ones. Got some JBs, got some cable sockets, stuff like that. I'm not going to be second fixing them today, I don't think. The dry liners, the boarders, want to get in and board it all and skim it and plaster it and everything. I'll second fix it, I'll come back and second fix it. So I'll throw the cables in, make some kind of a safe termination somewhere so that I can kind of turn the power back on. Show the people needing the shower and everything, the kettle will appreciate that, and we'll go back to site and yeah, carry on with some more videoing and working. Pulled all the animal shit out now. Stud wall going there, down there for the TV. Cable's going down to this socket, and I'm just going to link between here and there, here and there. Always noisy when you're working with other trains. I'm trying to show you these JBs. This is what I did, just JB'd them on here, fixed them to 3x2 in the floor, and that's solid. Screw these up now. Yeah, bit of controversial, but there's no other way of doing it. Got a socket on there for the lads, chargers and stuff like that, and the rest I've just put some big Wagos in to so I can go and get the power on, stop the freezer from defrosting. So just to confirm, we've got a ring after we've done that work. That's what we got before, 1.34 on the CPCs, and now .53. A bit of a Z-ass up here on the socket that we've got. No, I'm having dinner now. Are you coming down, mate? 0.53. Next we've got this light to move from here to over there. And somehow I have to get that light fitting over there, which is there. It's a good job I've got a dainty ballerina figure. Said it's a good job I've got a dainty ballerina figure. Squeezing up in these tight spaces. It's a good job it's not in the middle of a heat wave. There's the light. And there's the Wago box. Wago, Hago. And there's the the all important motherfucker. I just chopped off my switch wire there. That's going down to the switch. The blue was in there, I'm afraid, so the switch was the wrong way around, so I will fix that inside the Wago box. What else have we got going on here? Live in, live out. Right, so there's the cables that we're going to be connecting up to using the box. Here's my box, and we've got various 221s, 773s, whatever they're called. These things, if you can even see that. Can you see? They're what we're going to be using inside the Wago. You can see here what we can use. There we are, so you can pretty much use 773s down the line. This is only lighting, so okay. Various other forms of I'm not sure what make these are. This is click or something. Kick? I don't know. There we go. Excuse the sound effects, that's just what life's like living in Manchester. So we've got 32 amps, 24 amps Wago 222s, which is these ones here. So we have all the Wagos that we can use in the box, but we'll use those ones. What are you doing in there? I'm getting them in all right now. Just the cable that I'm going to extend is just right behind me, which is here. Now, if you are thinking of coming into the industry, we need you. You do have to experience some of this lot, I'm afraid. This is expected of you. Getting in lofts, tight spaces. If you're small, it's a good thing, but when you're the size of me, and nothing in the world is built for people who are 6'2", certainly not in England. Okay, I've made the terminations now inside the Wago box, and there you go, I can show you. It is pretty tight in here, but it's tight where I am as well, so it's, that'll do, that'll be great. I'll clip the cable over there and we'll just put a 6-inch pendant on there for now, just for as a temporary light. We'll screw that to the joist or spar or whatever you want to call it. Everything pretty solid there now. In. Cable clips down here to behind me where it's going, and we'll put the wool back and everything's good. Okay, so that was this week's video. Again, as usual, I hope you appreciate the difficulties I have in videoing, filming and stuff like that when there are other trades around. They don't always want to be filmed, and certainly I don't really want to be filming them. And it's just sometimes with noise and drills and still saws and stuff like that, it can get in the way. But anyway, we've managed to get some decent footage out there and show you exactly what I did. Now, a few controversial kind of subjects, if you like. JBs in the floor, not fixed. Well, they were fixed. You saw me put some 2 lengths of 3x2 in there and fix them down. And they're solid. The connections, mechanical connections, solid, tight. They're never going to work loose. And they are going to be accessible. You know, flip a floorboard up and you have access. They're not going to be behind tiles or poured concrete over or anything like that. There will be some form of access to it. The owner will be aware of it. Again, in the loft, I used the Wago box. The way of extending the light fitting to the new ceiling, the new kind of extension part. That there's access to that. There's actually going to be 2 loft hatches. The main one, which I sadly couldn't squeeze through. And then there's going to be another one in the extension part where I could just about squeeze through, as you saw. So again, if you like what you see, please click the subscribe where it's going to be this way, click the subscribe, and thanks again for watching, guys.